Hi everyone! Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to explore another type of noun, the common noun. Common nouns are everywhere in English. They help us talk about general people, places, or things rather than specific ones. So, what exactly is a common noun? A common noun is a word that names a general person, place, thing, or idea. Unlike proper nouns, common nouns are not capitalized unless they start a sentence. Think of words like boy, city, company, or even an idea like happiness. These are all common nouns because they refer to a category, not a specific individual. Let's look at some examples to make this clearer. For people, we have words like boy, teacher, or doctor. For places, you might say city, park, or school. For things, think of book, chair, or computer. And for ideas, we have concepts like freedom, happiness, or love. Notice the difference from proper nouns. Instead of saying a specific name, like John, or a specific city, like London, we just say boy or city. These are general terms that can apply to anyone or anywhere. So, when and why do we use common nouns? Common nouns are incredibly useful because they let us talk about things in a general sense when we don't need to be specific. For instance, if I say, I saw a teacher today, it could be any teacher. It's a general statement. But if I say, I saw Mr. Johnson today, now I'm using a proper noun to refer to a specific person. Here's another example. She visited a city last summer. This is general. We don't know which one. But if I say, she visited Paris last summer, that's specific. Using common nouns keeps our language flexible. Here's a quick tip to help you remember. Common nouns are almost always written in lowercase, unless they are the first word in a sentence. For example, it's correct to write, the city is beautiful. But it would be incorrect to write, the city is beautiful, with a capital C, unless city is part of a specific name. This simple capitalization rule is a great way to tell common and proper nouns apart. To summarize everything we've covered, common nouns name general people, places, things, or ideas. They do not start with capital letters, except at the beginning of a sentence. They are essential for helping us talk about things in general, making our sentences clear and simple. And that's it for common nouns today. I encourage you to practice spotting them in your reading and daily conversations. You'll start to see them everywhere. Next time, we'll look at countable and uncountable nouns, which are closely related to what we learned today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.